Hello guys, you're back with another video, and today we're going to show you my dad got from Amazon.
Yeah. What is it? Open it.
Yeah.
He opened it before because he couldn't wait to do the video.
This is not opened yet. I haven't opened this one yet. It is
Sony WH-CH520 headphones.
Yep.
With a 50-hour battery and multi-point, whatever that means. 360 reality audio. That probably means it's like kind of thingy. Let's go this bit. Right, we're just gonna thing it and then
this is
read it all. What it does. Read what it does on the back.
Music playback time max 50 hours. 3-minute charge. Plays up to 1.5 hours. Hands-free phone calls. Multi-point connection. Equalizer and voice-assisted functions.
Oh, we're going to go. Let's open it then.
And it says made for iPhone.
Yeah, and it can do Android, but made for iPhone because you've got an iPhone. This is our first kind of video using my phone because our camera had gone.
Yeah.
Kaput, we think.
Yeah.
So we have to do this. We're going to see how it comes out. Going to open it then.
Trying to. There's a sticky tab on it. Apparently, yeah. I was looking at the JBL ones. Apparently, these ones are better than the JBL.
Okay.
They compared it, and they said these ones are better.
Oh, YouTube video. You watched someone's YouTube video. Do you want to give the credit to whoever you watched it? Can you give his name? No?
Can't remember. I just watched Sony.
Okay.
Oh, nice box.
Nice box. Oh, very nice box. Very nice box. Show us this way. Very nice box.
Very nice.
Come on.
Pull it. Oh.
Okay, let's see what it is.
No, come on.
Okay, go on. A nicer case. Wow, it looks nice.
Is it in a case? No.
No, not a case. I don't think it's a case. Maybe you should have got a case.
Yeah, maybe.
Did you not get a case one?
No.
They're not a bunch of cases.
I don't think so.
That's a shame. It's a bummer. Charger cord. Let's see, normal bog standard.
Yeah, instructions.
Yep. Instructions.
Ooh, they look clean.
Go on then. Sorry, go on. Oh, very nice.
Oh, very nice.
So which way do you keep them? Can you bend them over to just like that?
Just like this, I think. This is. I might just keep it in here, you know.
Is it like paper?
It's dishcloth.
Like a dishcloth. Shame you haven't got a case with them.
Comfy. Let me try them on.
Yeah, try them on. How do they feel?
Oh, they feel good, you know.
How are they compared to my ones?
Better.
Shut up. I got mine free anyway, but my phone.
Oh, this one's right. This one's left. Does it matter?
Probably because the sound. I don't know. How does it feel?
Yeah. Let's see if they work right now.
Maybe we have to charge them.